Let's move on to the example number 2. Find the equation of the tangent line 2y equals e to the s over 1 plus s squared at this point, right? So we know that the equation of the tangent line is given by the formula y minus y1 equals m times s minus s1, right? Now m is the slope, which means you need to take the derivative of this one. So it's going to be y prime equals this one. We're going to use the quotient rule, right? So it's going to be e to the s times 1 plus s squared minus derivative of 1 plus s squared is going to be 2s times e to the s, right? Over 1 plus s squared all together squared, right? Now I'm going to substitute 1 for s. So then I have the slope is y prime of 1, right? It's going to be e times 1 plus 1 minus 2 times e over 1 plus 1 all together square. So it's going to be 0, right? Now this guy right here is actually s1 y1, right? So the equation is given by y minus y1, which means e over 2 equals 0 times s minus s1, which means 1, right? So 0 times this guy equals 0, so the equation should be y equals e over 2. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.